In this video, we'll take a look at using the Today function in Excel in an example of calculating invoices. The Today function in Excel returns the current day. Equal today, paren, and it returns the current date. Today is April 11th, 2023. Here we have some invoice dates, and then when they're due, that would simply be plus 30. So equal this particular date plus 30 days, and that's when that invoice is due in 30 days, and we just copy that down. We can use the Today function to calculate if the invoice is overdue or not, and we would use this particular formula here. So it would be equal the Today function minus this date. Now it returns a date, and I'll copy this down. It returns a date because these are dates as well. What you would need to do would be to format this for general, and since we are going to be doing numbers over here as well, we'll highlight both these areas, or this whole area here, and then we'll right click, format the cell, and select general, and that gives us our numeric values. Now what we have here is that these invoices are overdue by X amount of days, but these are not. Well, you wouldn't want the negatives there perhaps. You can use the if function and the today function together, as you see here, to place zeros in these values if they're negative. The if function takes three arguments: a condition and what to do if it's true and what to do if it's false. So, to elaborate on this today, we would simply do equal if, and then parenthesis, if today, and then paren, minus this value, B2, is less than 0, that's the condition, comma, what do I do if it's true? Well, I just want a 0. If it's false, I want to do the calculation. If it's true, then again, today, I'm sorry, if it's false, okay, today minus B2, and then close my parenthesis for the if. And if I copy that down, now I have zeros for the days overdue because I've included the if function with the today function. The advantage of using the today function is you save the spreadsheet, open it tomorrow or the next day or whenever you do, it calculates based on the current day. So these are all automatically up to date whenever you open the spreadsheet or open the file. So again, using the today function, you can calculate dates, and they are always current given the day you open the file. You can use your imagination as to giving it varied applications. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.